Like the title says, this video is insane. Guys, take a look. Here we go. Those two, they became a pizza master like crazy. But guys, make sure you watch until the end because where you going, bro? Watch until the end, guys, and see what happened to this video. It was intense, insane. Make sure you watch until the end. Hello guys from my street Iacopelli. We are trying to make this happen. I'm going to train these two beasts here how to make a Neapolitan pizza from A to Z. So we're going to make the dough a little bit different from usual, a little bit more hard, more easy to work. So we need... No! It's okay. So we need 300 grams of polish, so that means it's made with 300 grams of water, 300 grams of flour, 5 grams of dry yeast, 5 grams of honey. Now let's put this one in the machine. Here we go. You know how to do that. Perfect. Then we need to add, no, not like that. Go like this. Okay. So we're going to add 400 grams of cold water, 700 grams of 00 flour, and then 1 teaspoon of salt. See this video. Uh-oh. It's okay, don't worry about it. Okay, Walter, your turn. Let's put the flour in the machine. Vai. Voila, here we go. Everything. No, right there. Walter, right here. Walter, by the way, is 2 years old. Okay, good job. Come and help these guys out. Now, close this one. Close it. Oop. Oopla. Okay. Now, let's turn it on the machine at speed number 1. She's finished up to put the flour. Okay, perfect, Zoe. Okay, now it's time to put the water. Together. Ready? Little by little. You remember, Zoe? Okay, wait. We're gonna put this one out later. We're gonna wait that the dough absorbs all the water. Speed up the machine. We finish the dough when all this water is done. The salt. Don't forget the salt.
Mommy.
Okay, you for you. Okay, all done. Okay, we need a teaspoon of salt. Gentle. Go for it. Bang a little bit. Perfect. Good job. Okay, let's add more water. No. Oh, I just put it on. Let's put it on. It's danger to do that, but it's okay. We're gonna do what we're gonna do. In a little bit, here, we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil together. 1, 2. Okay, good job. Little bit. Okay, that's it. Done. Go right here. Wait. Get the oil, put right here. Right there, right here. A little bit of olive oil here. Good. Okay, done. That's it. We're gonna get the dough. There we go. Oh my God, it's gonna be hard. Okay, stop the machine. The dough is ready. Go, Zoe. Olive oil in your hands and take it out. Cut the dough. When you take it out, you need to cut the dough from the mixer. Okay, did you guys see how easy was this mixer to use to make the dough? Now we're gonna pull it. No, not like that. Not like this. We're gonna pull it. Okay, right there. Hold on. We're gonna put this in the center. Okay, make one ball, one big ball. Okay, good. It needs to be nice and smooth. Yeah, should be good. Now place it right here. You know what you're gonna do? You're gonna put a little bit of olive oil on top. Okay. Little bit, not too much. Okay. Little bit. 1, 2. Okay. That's it. Okay, now massage. You massage too. Ooh. Nice and smooth. No, you don't like it?
No.
That's it? Okay. Whew. We made the dough and let it rest for about 15 minutes at room temperature, just like that. Don't do anything. And then we're going to make the balls. Okay, guys. Wait. We waited for 15 minutes. The dough was relaxed, let's say like that. Now we're gonna cut it piece by piece.
No,
we're gonna make.
Okay,
cut it. Cut a little bit. Here we go. We're gonna make the balls. But try to keep this part on top. Here, make one ball. We're gonna cut it in pieces. So we're gonna, good job, Walter. Okay, we're gonna make a ball, okay? Okay, watch, look at me, Zoe. Like this. Make one ball.
Pizza.
No, not yet the pizza. We need to let it rest for a little bit.
No, pizza.
2 hours. Okay, look at this. One ball. Make one ball, Papa. Oh.
Make the...
Good job. One more. Così, brava Papa, brava. Okay, make one ball like this. Look.
Mommy.
Yeah. Like this, make it one ball. Nice, and put it next to that one. Good. Make sure it's tight, like that. I'm gonna go ahead and fix it a little bit, of course. Here we go. So now we're gonna put these in a box.
Like this.
Oh, good job. Okay, yes. We need to put the dough in the box. Here, Walter, here for you.
Me too.
Wait. Put it in the box. Okay. Let's put some dough far away from each other. Go ahead and close it and leave it at room temperature. Leave it at room temperature for 2 hours, and then we're going to make the pizza. But now we're gonna have a little bit of fun. In the meantime, the 2 hours is gonna. Let's let it rest for 2 hours at room temperature. Let's have some fun. Let's go.
Let's go.
More than 2 hours pass by, and this is the dough. And now, me and Zoe, and we're gonna try to make Walter too. We're gonna take it out and make it the pizza. We're gonna stretch, okay? So, get the dough, put it in the flour, wait for me, okay?
Okay, Daddy.
Don't touch the dough, wait for me.
Okay, Daddy.
That's for me.
With sauce.
No, not yet, not yet. We're gonna stretch it first. And one for Walter. There we go. Okay, Walter, that's for you. Let me show you how to stretch it really quick. Look at me before you touch this, okay? Look, Walter. So we press, and then we go back. Then we flip it over, we press, and then we go one in here and one we pull. Turn, boom, boom, and then here we go. Take off the flour, and the pizza, it's ready. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, now your turn first. From the bottom to the top.
No, me.
Go right here.
Like
Here we go. Good job. Your turn too. Press. Press, 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 press.
plus.
Vieni. Good job. You want to press? Brava. Now flip it over. Good. Take off the flour. Good job. Put it back. Brava. Cover the. You want to make a heart shape? Pinch right here. Pinch it. And now pull this. Go a little bit more top of here. Good. She's making a basil pizza. Let's stretch the pizza. Good. Good.
Salt.
Okay, flip it over. Get the dough. Okay. Ah, wait, aspetta, wait. Okay. Okay, put the tomato sauce. Make sure you go in the center, okay? That's Walter. Good job. Zoe's putting the tomato sauce. Don't go outside, okay? Perfect. Now, this is how you put the tomato sauce. Good job, Zoe. Okay, good. Now, Walter's turn. Wait, Walter, here. Let him do it. He doesn't want to put it. Okay. Now you can put the basil.
Bravo.
Good job. Now, basil, Zoe. Let's put some basil here. Dun, dun, dun. Parmigiano. Like this. Look. Look. Oh, here. Walter's gonna put some Parmesan, a little bit more. Go, good job. Parmesan everywhere, everywhere. It's only 2 guys, just turn 2. But Zoe, Parmesan cheese. Good job. And now, grab some mozzarella, Papa. Walter, look. Walter. Good.
A few moments later.
Walter is falling asleep. It's time to put the olive oil. Okay.
Mommy, olive oil.
Olive oil. Good look, Zoe. Just a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Here. Put a little bit. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's it. That's good. That's good. That's it. Basta. Not too much, otherwise it's gonna get all messed up. Okay, now clean your hands, Zoe. You made a really good pizza, Zoe. Let me see. R-shaped pizza. That's my pizza, and that's Walter's pizza. First, this one. I'll show you.
Very good.
You wanna go?
Yes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
I'm
Wait for me. Flour. Hold on. Ah, now, hold the pizza. Go. Put it back.
Wait.
Good. Now you fix it. Good job. Zoe knows already. Now we're gonna go in the oven. 1, 2. Let's go. Come with me.
Ouch, Daddy. Ouch.
You got it?
Ouch.
Now go, gentle. Pull it. Oh, 1, 2. Good job. Yay!
Yeah!
You did good. Good job. Come here. Now your turn, Walter. Pio. Ready? Hold the pizza. Pull it. Get the pizza. Oh, good job. Make a circle. You ready? Oh.
It's
Good. Yay. You did good. High five. Good job. Now, we're going to wait a little bit. We're going to put this one in the other oven by yourself. Pull it up. Pull the pizza on top of the peel. One shot. Good job. Make a circle. She did good.
No, maybe that's all.
You want to put this in the other oven?
No.
Okay.
Me.
Okay, come. Follow. Go. Come here. You want to do it? Okay. Wait right there. Don't move.
Mi precious.
Oh, mantieni. Hold it. Go. Oh, tira. On 3. 1, 2. Put it. Good job. Yay. Let's go check your pizza that is ready too.
Yes.
Let's wait to be cooked the pizza.
Vai, andiamo.
Go.
Apros.
Watch out. No, it's gonna take about a few minutes. The pizza, it's ready. Okay, ready. Zoe, correct. The pizza is bubbling. And Zoe, she's gonna take it. Here, two hands. Get the pizza.
No.
Get your pizza, okay?
I'm scared.
What are you scared for? Get the pizza. It's the pizza that needs to be scared of you. Okay, hold it. On top of here. Put on the plate. Good job! Yay! High five.
Adesso vai.
And now your turn. Okay, are you ready? Okay, ready? Let's see Walter how he does. Okay, ready? Get the pizza. Oh, push. Good. Oh. Hold it. 2 hands. Oh. Hopefully that'll drop it. Leave it. Oh. Let's put the pizza back here. Again. Oh. By yourself. Good job. Yay. High five. All right. You did good.
No, mi pizza.
Your pizza? Oh, you want to go? Okay, go get it. Go get the pizza fast because that pizza is cooked already. Go. Okay, good job, Zoe. Look at the pizza, okay? Look at the pizza. Come here, right here. Right here, put it by yourself. Oh. Yeah! This is my pizza. This is Walter's pizza. And this is Zoe's pizza. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Now it's time to cut it and taste it. Okay, Zoe, it's time to taste the pizza. Okay, that's mine. That's yours. Okay, Zoe, your turn to taste and tell everybody how is the pizza. Chin. So what is it? Soft and crunchy, that's what I'm talking about. So what is it? Thumbs up? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe and check out all my videos. This is for you.
No.
You want to taste? Come on, give a little taste for everybody. Come on. No. Hey, come on. Come on. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Go ahead, subscribe and watch until the end and share this video for the support of my channel. Thank you. Dite ciao. Bye. Bye. No? You want to taste it?
No.